Hello guys, welcome to the kingdom of Sonu sir. So right now this channel is having 459 subscribers and no, this growth didn't happen overnight. It grew with patience, mistakes and learnings. I remember when I started with my YouTube journey, I struggled even with basic editings like blurring parts of the videos because of low RAM. So what did I do? I did upgrade my laptop with 8 GB of RAM because you deserve better quality and not excuses. I am improving every single day only for you. I am doing better editing only for you. I am sharing clear explanations and learning non-stop to serve you better guys only for you. So this year let's make it special. Make me go 500 subscribers guys before this new year, okay? Abki बार 500 par. And guess what? Only 41 more subscribers are needed to go 500 subscribers guys. Once we cross 500 subscribers, I will officially start posting finance related videos, okay? If you support efforts, then hit subscribe button guys and be proud to join early to my kingdom. And if you are already subscribed, just share this video to your friends. One share is equal to one new subscribers. Subscribing to the kingdom of Sonu Saab means guys you are choosing better finance knowledge, higher self-worth and real growth. So thank you for your love and support guys. Let's hit 500 subscribers together and say with me, Abki baar 500 par. So thank you very much guys. Bye bye. So there is a short announcement that there is a good news for the people who have joined my kingdom. Subscribers can be a part of my YouTube thumbnails. Just share your photo and give editing permission and that's it guys. You can be featured in my next video thumbnail. It's 100% free only for my Kingdom of Sonu subscribers. Limited time guys and it's limited slots only. So thank you to show interest in my kingdom. Bye bye.